Unable to download and install the HP Smart app on an Android, iPhone, or iPad. If you are having difficulty downloading and installing the HP Smart printing application, there are a few steps you can take to fix the issue. After each step in this video, try to download HP Smart again. If you encounter the same issue, proceed to the next step. Step 1. Check device requirements and settings. To run the app, your mobile device must meet HP Smart System requirements. If you get an App Store message that your computer is unsupported, check the system requirements in the app description. If an update is required for your mobile device, check for and install any available operating system updates in the device settings. Then try to download the app again. Step 2. Check the network settings. Make sure your mobile device is connected to an active internet connection. If your phone or tablet is connected to a virtual private network, or VPN for short, disconnect it before downloading the app. Step 3. Use the HP Print Service plugin or AirPrint as a workaround. If your printer or mobile device does not meet the requirements, or download issues persist, use either the HP Print Service plugin for Android devices or use Apple AirPrint for iPhones or iPads. To use either method, first make sure your printer is connected to your network. For Android devices, the HP Print Service plugin can be downloaded from the App Store. Once it is downloaded and installed, open the item that you want to print and then tap the menu icon or the share icon depending on your device. Then select HP Print Service plugin or the print icon. Select your printer and then adjust any print settings based on your preferences. When you are ready to print, select the print icon. For iPhones or iPads, to use AirPrint, open the item you want to print, and then tap the share icon or the menu icon. Scroll down the screen and select Print from the list of options. Select your printer and then adjust any print settings based on your preferences. When you are ready, tap Print.